Hi there, I'm happy to say that I'm finally launching my first merch store. I've teamed up together with Teespring and Merch Shelf. They work together with YouTube, which means that you can now just scroll down and right underneath this video about the comment section, it will now be possible to see my store. You can swipe between the different products and look at all of my different designs and click and buy whatever you like. I'm very happy with how this feature looks like. It is now possible for UK content creators to use this feature. I had already seen that content creators over in the United States were using it, and now it is finally possible for us here in the UK to use it as well. So I created a tutorial so you guys can see how easy it is to create your first collection of products, how easy it is to set up a professional looking store, and how easy it is to link your YouTube channel to your Teespring account. So please watch my tutorial and you can open up a store just like that. This is how your YouTube channel will look like 24 hours after you have synced your YouTube channel to your Teespring channel. This is the merch shelf right here, and you can see up to 12 different products at any given time. By just clicking on this arrow, you can toggle between the different products, and then you can just click on one of them and you'll be taken straight to a purchase page. Okay, this will increase your sales instantly. That has happened to me, and I will actually show you the evidence in just some seconds, but first some additional information. Okay, it says it's only visible to viewers in France, Germany, United Kingdom, Ireland, Italy, the Netherlands, Belgium, Portugal, Spain, Canada, Australia and United States, so you'll still need to post the link in the description or use cards and end screens. Sales referred from your merch shelf will qualify for an additional YouTube bonus of $1 per item sold, and this bonus offer is valid through June 2019. Early data from a group of beta creators demonstrated that using the merch shelf led to a meaningful increase in visits to purchase pages as well as revenue from merchandise sales. So that's very important, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to integrate, as they call it, how to integrate your YouTube channel with your Teespring channel. Okay, so let's go over here first. You can see a spike. I have just launched this page, and here you see $80.96 and a very happy smiley face right here. Your page is not going to look like this when you first log in, okay? You have to be in the new updated YouTube Studio Beta mode. You have to go to monetization right here, and you will see earn money from your YouTube channel. Of course you want to do that, so then you go and click on merchandise, and right here when you are gonna link this for the very first time, it will tell you get a Teespring ID. Okay, that's how the page will look like. It will not look like this. It will tell you get a Teespring ID, and then you click on that, and what will happen when you click on that is that it will take you to the Teespring page, and then on the Teespring page it will give you a code that you have to basically copy, and then you take that code up here and you paste it onto your YouTube page, and that's how you link it. And it takes 24 hours and then everything will be up and running. You will have a very happy smiley face and you will have a spike. All of a sudden you will go from 0 to, well, in my case, $80, just like that. So now I'm gonna go for my super cool page here on YouTube, my merchandise page, and I'm gonna jump over to integrations on Teespring. This is how the integrations page on Teespring looks like. You will have your Teespring store idea right there. You can have an influence, you can have a say with what you would want to be displayed in your merch shelf. Obviously there's things look a bit different here, and that is because what people buy will influence what is visible here. So I picked my t-shirts. Because that is what I guess I guess that was what people would be most interested in, and then a black hoodie because a lot of my fans are heavy metal fans. They're into that genre of music. But you see that here you have the white hoodie because the white hoodie became more popular than the black hoodie. So you cannot always predict what people will like the most. Okay, so that is how easy it is to set this thing up. It is so easy, it is hilarious. You'll have everything up and running in no time. Now I'm going to take you guys over to an extended tutorial, if you keep on watching, where I will go into great detail telling you how to do everything from setting up a store to creating your first product. Okay? This is my Teespring store, and you can see all of the different collections of merchandise that I've created so far. We have to go up into the left corner, click on the logo of Teespring, so we can go on the home page because we need to log in. You might need to sign up. It's very easy to sign up. Now you can see that I've changed my screen slightly because I don't want to share my email address. Your email address will be visible right on top of the YouTube logo. Then you will get a little arrow that you can click on, and then you get a menu, and anything that you click on in here will get you to the dashboard besides logout. Now you can see my storefront, and I want to get into the store to edit it to show you guys how easy it is to set up a store. Everything is happening on the left side when it comes to editing, and you can basically get rid of your logo so that you only write the name of your store or your artist name. I prefer to actually use my logo. I think that looks way better than just writing the Commander-in-Chief. So I decided to keep my site white because I think that fits with my logo. Making a banner is very easy. They give you the measurements. So you can just go into Photoshop, plot those measurements in, and create a banner that makes your site looks way more professional than if you don't have a banner there. You can look at all your products right here on the left, and you can actually delete all of them, but I don't want to do that because I'm very happy with all the different things that I've designed. So I'm going to keep them the way that they are. The About section is very easy to edit. I've created a very short bio, and now you can see how it looks like on the website. All of my different social media profiles have been synced up, and you see how easy that is to edit right here on the left. Very straightforward. So if you can see, my URL is really cool. It says The Commander-in-Chief, so that's perfect branding. Very, very good. And I have enabled cross-selling because I think that is a good idea to do. Obviously, I do not want to delete my store because I'm very happy with everything. Now we're going back to the dashboard because I want to show you guys how easy it is to actually design a product. It's like all roads inside Teespring leads you to the design page. You can start designing right here inside your dashboard, or you can go up into the right corner and you can click there, start designing, or you can go over to the left and you can click the logo of Teespring. Everywhere on the site there are shortcuts to get you to the design page. This is the design page, but I'm going to go and click on the logo up in the left corner to show you the home page where you also can click Start Designing, and that will also take you to the design page. Now I'm going to make a t-shirt, and I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to create a product inside Teespring. Super easy. We're going to start off by adding an image, and I'm going to go and look for my logo. Obviously I need to have the right logo. You can see that I'm a very messy person. So here we have the right logo. That needs to be on a black background. It cannot be on a white background. You see how that looks like. But I don't want to go for black t-shirt because I think that's too boring. We're going to go for something a bit more smashing. We're going to go for orange, green. We're going to have something that is a bit more extreme, something that is a bit weird and strange for this one. I also want to go on the back and write something. I'm going to add some text. That's very easy to edit. You can't really see it, but the editor for the text is right above the t-shirt. So now I'm going to find something that is a bit military inspired because I think that's kind of awesome. And I think that will fit very well. And it does fit very well with the old Commander-in-Chief thing. There you go. So now I'm going to have some fun with this. I'm going to be a bit creative here. And you can obviously change the font if you're not happy with it. Very good that they actually give you a preview. See? That's the thing I was looking for. And then I'm actually going to add some extra text. I'm going to have some more text underneath there. See, you just drag and drop them in. It's like super easy to use this thing. So I'm going to have a bit different type of writing style. Yeah. I mean, I think this is really funny. I could just move that into position. There you go. That's my design. Very straightforward. Have a laugh on my behalf. It's free. Now I'm going to change the price. I'm going to have some fun with that. You can actually set the price however you want it to be. And I'm going to set it so that my profit is only $1. It's kind of obvious that this is an artsy type of a thing, putting an artsy spin on the whole setting up a t-shirt business. So I want my profit to be $1 or €1. And you can actually do that inside Teespring. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what's really, really, really super cool about this feature in a second. You can see my design. Check out what happens now. Automatically, my design is just transposed to all of these different products. And theoretically, I don't even have to go in and edit, but if you want to change the price on your products, you can do that. And you can obviously also change the design. So I'm just going to go for these socks, and I'm going to go in the total opposite direction with these ones. I'm going to just put an outrageous price on them. Totally overpriced. You can see that $90 will be my profit if anyone actually buys these socks. It's kind of funny. I don't think no one is going to buy those. So now I'm going to go to the next product. This one. So now I'm going to see how this will look like with this classic long sleeve tee. I'm going to do something different on this one as well because that's fun. So you can see how the design, it just looks great. Looks the same on all of them. So now I think I'm going to go for no profit on this one. So on the very first one I said that I wanted my profit to be $1. On the other one my profit became $90. On this one I'm going to go for 0. That doesn't work. I guess Teespring want you to make money. They want their artists to make money. It's impossible to go for no profit. Then we can go 6, 6 and 6, 6. I'm thinking 6, 6, 6, 6. You see, it's not 6, 6, 6. It's 6, 6, 6, 6. So it's a bit different. You cannot really say that. I mean, it's like metal with a sense of humor. Okay, so now we have a satanic orange shirt. We have the no profit one with only $1, and we have the $100 pair of socks. Now I'm going to go in and check out this hoodie. And this hoodie actually looks kind of cool. I really like this one. It would be kind of awesome to actually walk around with it. I think I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, actually. Might as well just be the way it is. That can be the normal one with all these other crazy ones. Okay, so now I have 4. I have 4 products here, and that fits with my site because I have 4 per line. Now I'm going to name this, and Teespring would be a good name. Maybe not, actually, no. The value of labor. Yeah, that would be a good one. The value of labor. Because that fits in with an art project that I'm doing this year. It's kind of funny as well with the price being all over the place. You can type in description. Like what inspired you to create this? Inspired by birdsong? Or, yeah. So you can see that awesome URL that I have, the value of labor. I mean, that's perfect branding for my art project as well. Yeah, inspired by the world. Right, so you see how easy this is. Publish listing. And ta-da! Now we are on my store, and you can see everything that I had already done before. And now you see my brand new listing, the value of labor, with prices all over the place. I'm the Commander-in-Chief, 7-string guitarist, singer-songwriter in heavy metal, classical crossover and acoustic pop music. Please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you get my notifications. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.